Good afternoon, students. Today we will be learning lesson 2, the story of Miss Moffat. So let's start the story. Miss Moffat is a little kitten and she lives in a little house. One day she hears a mouse in her house. So children, Miss Moffat was a little kitten. Here you can see a little cat. Her name is Miss Moffat. She lives in a small house, so one day she hears the sound of mouse in her house. So you can see here the mouse in the cupboard. Behind the cupboard, he is making sound. The mouse is peeping out from behind the cupboard and it is making fun of Miss Moffat. The mouse is not afraid of a little kitten. He is peeping Miss, making fun from the behind the cupboard. You can see here he is making fun behind the cupboard of Miss Moffat, and he is not afraid of a little cat. Miss Moffat jumps to catch the mouse, but she misses the mouse and hits her own head on the cupboard. So children, here you can see in this picture the cat jumps to catch the mouse, but she could not catch it and hit her own head on the cupboard, which was very hard. The mouse watches Miss Moffat from the top of the cupboard. The mouse watches Miss Moffat by sitting in the top of the cupboard. Miss Moffat ties up her head in a towel and sits before the fire. So you can see here in this picture what he did. She ties her head in a towel and sits before the fire. The mouse thinks she is looking very ill. He comes down to look at her. Miss Moffat looks worse and worse. The mouse comes a little near. The mouse thinks that the cat is looking very ill, means high fever, so he come down to look at her. When he come down, he found the cat looks more and more ill, so he come a little near to look at her. Miss Moffat holds her poor head in her paws and looks at him through a hole in the towel. The mouse comes very close. Now the cat holds her head in her paws and looked at him through a hole in a towel. Then the mouse comes very close. And then all of a sudden Miss Moffat jumps upon the mouse. Then suddenly what he did? She jumps upon the mouse. So let's turn the page. And because the mouse had teased Miss Moffat wants to tease the mouse, which is not at all nice of Miss Moffat. So children, here you can see in this picture that the mouse had teased her, so she wants to tease him back to take revenge of mouse, which is not at all good of Miss Moffat. She teases him up in the towel and tosses it about like a ball. Then what she did? She ties him up into the towel. You can see in this picture it about like a ball. So he throw the mouse like a ball. but she forgot about that hole in the towel, and when she unties it, there is no mouse. So you can see in this picture, children, when she ties the mouse, she forgot about the hole in the towel. There is a big hole in the towel. You can see in this picture. In the middle of the towel, there is a big hole. Then when she throw the mouse run away from the towel. He has wriggled out and run away, and he is dancing a jig on the top of the cupboard. He has turned his body this way and that way very quickly from the hole and run away by dancing, jumping up and down quickly on the top of the cupboard. So children, this is the story of Miss Moffat. So I hope so you have understood this story. Till then, thank you and happy learning.